Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, and from here look for the hotspot toggle, which is for me right over here, mobile hotspot. Once you find it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings. So from here, make sure you tap on configure before you can actually change anything. And there we go. So right up the top, we have network name. This will be the Wi-Fi's name visible in the list. If you want to make it shorter, you are totally free to do so. Then we have security. I would keep the security as it is, although I would change the password because it is just some random gibberish generated every time you, I believe, format the device. So we can remove this one and set our own new password. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Then if we scroll down a little bit further, you have the band. Now this gives you two options. So we have 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And this is completely standalone, basically only Wi-Fi thing. So even though the device is branded as 5G, what you see right here is not mobile networking, this is Wi-Fi. And the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi has been out for a little bit longer than a mobile 5G. And thus older devices will support that as well. Now the benefit of the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi will be that the connection will be faster and stronger, but the downside is a little bit of older devices, I mean like several years back older devices, most likely will not support it. But if you're uncertain if your device supports 5 gigahertz or not, what you can do is simply turn it on at 5 gigahertz, turn on the Wi-Fi or hotspot, and look for the Wi-Fi in the list. And if your phone doesn't see it, then that means that it doesn't support it. And all you need to do is go back into the settings and then drop it to 2.4. But let's tap on save right now to save the settings. And from here, once everything is set, all we need to do now is simply find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and there we go. As you can see, it should be enabled, as you can see right here. And that is how you would enable your hotspot. Now, once you're done with it, all you need to do is tap the toggle once more to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.